to make homemade henna and amla hair pack for hair growth and thickness. For this remedy, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup amla powder, 3 tablespoons henna powder, 2 tablespoons fenugreek powder, 1 egg white, and 1 lemon. To prepare homemade henna and amla hair pack, make a paste of 3 tablespoons of henna, 1 cup of amla, and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder by adding a little bit of water to the mix. Next, add 1 egg white and the juice from 1 lemon to the paste and let the mixture soak for an hour. Now, apply this mix to your hair, starting from the roots and working it through the entire length of your hair. Leave it on for about 45 minutes to an hour. Later, wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool water. Do not use hot water as this can end up cooking the egg in the hair pack. For best results, you have to repeat this once a week. Why this hair pack will work? This is a protein-filled, nourishing hair pack that curbs hair fall and promotes hair growth. Eggs are rich in protein, which is important for hair health. Fenugreek reduces hair loss and clears the scalp, while henna and amla powder curb hair loss. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.